Parasites, the invisible architects of life on Earth. Parasites rarely enjoy good publicity. In popular imagination, they are villains of biology, lurking organisms that invade bodies, drain resources, and spread disease. Yet from the perspective of science, parasites are far more than mere freeloaders. They are among the most influential and abundant life forms on the planet, quietly shaping evolution, ecosystems, and even human behavior. At its simplest, a parasite is an organism that lives in or on another organism, known as the host, and benefits at the host's expense. This definition covers an astonishing diversity of life. From microscopic protozoa to meter-long worms, parasites have evolved countless strategies for survival. Some complete their entire life cycle inside a single host, while others require multiple hosts, moving with remarkable precision from one species to another. One of the most infamous parasitic organisms is Plasmodium, the protozoan responsible for malaria. Its life cycle involves both humans and mosquitoes, exploiting each in different ways. Despite decades of medical advances, malaria still affects hundreds of millions of people worldwide, illustrating how deeply entrenched parasites can be within biological systems. Their success lies in adaptability, rapid reproduction, genetic variation, and an ability to evade immune defenses. Not all parasites cause immediate or obvious harm. Some operate subtly, influencing host behavior rather than outright health. A striking example is Toxoplasma gondii, a microscopic parasite that can reproduce only inside cats but often infects rodents as intermediate hosts. Infected rodents lose their natural fear of cat predators, increasing the likelihood of being eaten and thus completing the parasite's life cycle. Intriguingly, this parasite is also widespread in humans, raising provocative questions about the extent to which parasites may influence human psychology. From an evolutionary standpoint, parasites are powerful drivers of change. Hosts evolve defenses, parasites evolve counter-defenses. This biological arms race has shaped immune systems, genetic diversity, and even sexual reproduction. Some scientists argue that without parasites, life on Earth would be far less complex. In ecosystems, parasites can regulate population sizes, prevent any single species from dominating, and contribute to ecological balance. Culturally, parasites have long served as metaphors for moral decay, exploitation, and social anxiety. Yet this language can obscure scientific reality. Most parasites do not seek to kill their hosts, doing so would be self-defeating. Instead, they aim for long-term coexistence, extracting just enough to survive while keeping the host alive. In that sense, parasites are masters of biological negotiation. Modern research is beginning to reassess their role. Parasitology now intersects with immunology, neuroscience, and even climate science, as warming temperatures expand the habitats of many parasitic species. Understanding parasites is no longer a niche concern but a global priority. Ultimately, parasites force us to confront an uncomfortable truth: life is deeply interconnected, often in unequal and unsettling ways. By studying organisms that live at the edge of survival and morality, we gain a clearer picture of how life adapts, persists, and evolves, sometimes at a cost we would rather not acknowledge.